How to loop YouTube video on laptop and desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can loop YouTube videos on both your laptop and desktop. Whether you are jamming to your favorite song, watching a relaxing ASMR video, or just studying with a lecture, looping videos can make life so much easier. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube from any browser that you like. And once you have opened the YouTube, you can simply select any videos that you like to loop. And once you have opened the video, you can simply right click anywhere on the video player and the drop down menu will appear. Simply click on loop from that menu. And that's it. Now your video will keep replaying until you stop it. This method works for both laptops and desktop, and it's super quick. And there you have it folks, a complete guide to looping YouTube videos on your laptop and desktop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.